Good morning, guys. We are learning today exponents. Exponents. Exponents are also known as indices. When you want to talk about one exponent, you will say it is an index. Exponent. You will say you're talking about an index. So basically, exponents, the definition of exponents are the shorthand notation. Shorthand notation of multiplication. What does that mean? That means that if you do not want to write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, you can write that in exponential form. You can write it as 2 to the exponent how many times you multiplied. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it will be 2 to the exponent 5. This, it is written in exponential form. And this is expanded, our normal way of writing multiplication. So we can just say it is expanded. Okay, guys, so what we are going to learn about the laws of the exponents. But before we go there, let us address this exponent. We have got a base, we have got an exponent, and together they are called a power. So the power has got a base, and they've got an exponent, or you can say it's an index. Exponent. So guys, I want you to know that every number and every variable, it is a power. It is a power because you have got the power to write an exponent there. So when you have written an exponent of which is an exponent 1, that simply means this 2 must multiply itself once, which it will just be like 2. Hence I say every number, it is a power. So when you are given a number multiplying another power, you need to know that the 2 are powers. Okay, so this one, it is x to the exponent 1, which means that x must multiply itself once, which it will be just x. Okay, so note that every number or every variable is a power. So now let's get to the laws of the exponent. I'm just going to discuss the first law, which says that when multiplying powers of the same base, we add the exponents. Guys, the laws of the exponents only works with multiplication and division. They say when we multiply powers of the same base, remember this is a power. It has got a base and an exponent. This is a power. It has got a base and an exponent. So we keep the base and we add the exponents. Okay, so let's look into real examples. We have got x to the exponent 30 multiplied by x to the exponent 40. So what is going to happen here? I've got 2 powers multiplying each other. Then we must follow the law. We are following the law. We don't need you to be creative here. I'm sorry to say that, but we need you to follow the law. We're going to say x, we keep the base, and then we add the exponents. You see, you can be creative, but when you are creative, make sure that your creativity is within the laws. And then 30 plus 40 is going to be x to the exponent 17. Let's check more examples. We have got x to the exponent 75 multiplied by x to the exponent 25, which is going to be, we keep the base and we say exponent 75 plus exponent 25, and it's going to be x to the exponent 100. Let's check other examples. We have got 7 to the exponent 3 multiplied by 7 to the exponent 2. Boys and girls, we know that you know the value of x to the exponent 3, but right now we don't want you to give us the value. We want you to apply the exponent. We are going to say 7 to the exponent 3 plus 2 is equals to 7 to the exponent 5. I want you to know that I know that you know that 7 to the exponent 2 is 49. And I know that you know the value of 7 to the exponent 3, but I don't want the value. I want you to keep the base and add the exponents. Apply the laws. Okay, let me just do one last example to make sure that everybody is on the same page. We're going to do negative x, okay, negative 2x to the exponent 3 in brackets, open bracket, 5x to the exponent 2, close, x, close. Remember guys, we need to know what does the bracket mean. It means that we are multiplying. So this is same as negative 2x to the exponent 3 multiplied by 5x to the exponent 2 multiplied by x. And what is going to happen here, when we have got numbers, guys, the numbers, we just multiply them straight, though they are considered as powers. But here I've got different powers. So if I have different powers, then it means that I'm just going to say negative 2 multiplied by 5, which is just going to be negative 10. And I've got my power here. These are other powers. So I've got x to the exponent 3, x to the exponent 2, x to the exponent 1. Remember, when you are not given an exponent, your exponent is 1. Then I'm going to keep the base, which is the x, and then I'll say 3 plus 2 plus 1. And my answer is negative 10, x to the exponent 6. I hope it makes sense, guys. This is all about the first law. And I am coming back with the second law.